Good morning. Now we are going to see about the swar and consonants in Hindi. We are going to learn both in English and Tamil how to spell Hindi, the letters of vowels and consonants. First one is swar. Where swar, vowels. In Tamil we are representing that is uyir எழுத்துக்கள். Then we have a. Then in Tamil you have a, and in English a. And the next letter a. In Tamil a. Then in English we have a. And then e in Hindi and Tamil e. And the representation in English I. Then another next letter e. That is e in Tamil and in English e. And then u in Tamil, u in English, and u, then u in Tamil and o in English. And then ikru, and in Tamil re, and in English ri, re. And the next letter is a, have a, and in English e. And then the next letter is I, and in Tamil I, and in English AI. And the next letter is O. The English letter, Tamil letter is O, and the English is O. The next letter is AU, in Tamil also AU, and then in English AU. And the next letter is and in English Tamil and in English am. And the last letter of the vowel is in Tamil aga, and in English ah. You have to read both in Tamil and English so that you can learn easily Hindi through English also. We will see how to form the sentence using these letters in further classes. The next you are going for Vyajan. Vyajan means consonants. In Tamil, மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். Then that we have first one is காவரிசை. That you have ka, ga, ஞா. That ஞா is in Tamil this one. சங்குக்கு வர நா. The next you have சாவரிசை. That you have cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. This one inji, that na. The next ta varisai, ta, ita, da, dada, na. Na means moonu suli na, 1 2 3 in Tamil. And you have ta varisai, ta, ita, da, da, nya. Nya means na, நல்லது, small na, ரெண்டு சுழினா 1 2 ரெண்டு சுழினா. The next you have பா வரிசை, ப, ஃப, ப, ப, மா. Ma means this ma, mangalam, that ma. The next you have the other letters in consonants ya, ra, la, va. In Tamil also ya, ra, la, va. Then the other letters used in consonant sha, sa, and then sha, sha, and then sa, sa, and ha, ha. In Tamil we have sa, sha, and then sa, ha. Homam varha, this one. Then another 4 letters use conjunctive. இப்போ ஒரு லெட்டர் படிக்கக்குள்ளே அது இடையில வர மாதிரி இருக்க எழுத்து 4 எழுத்து யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் இன் ஃபார்மிங் ஹிந்தி சென்டென்ஸ். தட் ஒன் இஸ் கஷா, தட் இஸ் ஷேமம் கஷா, KSHA, கஷா. அண்ட் த்ரா, மித்ரா, மித்ரா மீன்ஸ் ஃப்ரெண்டு, த்ரா, இத்ரா. அண்ட் தென் ஷ்ரா, தட் இஸ் ஷிரமம், தட் ஷ்ரா, SRA. அண்ட் தென் ஞா, that is GNARGYA, ஞா, ஞாலம் அப்படி இருக்க ஞா. These are the consonant used in Hindi and you have to remind in the mind. You have to read both in Hindi and English, and you have to know about the Tamil meaning of that letter, and you have to remind in the mind. Thank you.